Good morning. Today I'm going to talk to you about flight controls, right? Flight controls are the components that maneuver the aircraft in three axes. That is longitudinal, lateral, and vertical. These are three axes in this that aircraft is maneuvered, or attitude, all will be done by these three primary flight controls. There are two sets of flight controls. One is primary, other one is secondary, or sometimes they call it auxiliary. So the primary flight controls are aileron, rudder, and elevators. These are the three primary flight controls. I'm going to talk to you today only about primary flight controls. In another video, I'll talk to you about secondary. Okay, so elevator, let us talk about elevator. Elevator, it's that controls the aircraft on lateral axis for the pitching movement. Going up and down is controlled by elevators. The yawing movement from left to right is controlled by the rudder at the back. Then your rolling clockwise, anti-clockwise movement is controlled by the ailerons. So these are the three primary flight controls. So how does it work? Let us talk about elevators. Elevators are attached to the horizontal stabilizer at the back, at the end, right? Near the tail. So the horizontal stabilizer, the elevators are attached to that. It can deflect up and down, right? It can deflect up and down. So when the pilot decides that he wants to ascend, go up, he pulls the control column towards him like that. When he pulls, then the elevator will go deflect up like this. When it deflects up, then it creates a camber, very deep camber. That means the airflow hitting here will have a high pressure, and on the bottom will have a low pressure. Then what happens? This will push the tail down. When the tail goes down, the nose goes up, right? In the opposite direction, when the pilot pushes the control column forward, then the elevators will go down and push the tail go up, because the airflow coming and hitting here will be similar to the aerofoil, the camber. So it hits here, the low pressure, high pressure, and low pressure. The tail will go up, then the aircraft nose will come down. So that's the job of the elevator. Then you have rudder. Rudder is attached to the vertical stabilizer of the aircraft. So when it's attached, what does the pilot do? There is called rudder pedals. It's like a car. On the car, you see the pedals there. Same thing like the rudder pedals. When he pushes the right pedal down, the rudder will deflect towards the right side. Right? In the video, it might look opposite, but I'm just talking to you because you understand. So when the pilot presses the right rudder pedal, the rudder will move to the right. When it's moved to the right, it again creates the high camber. Then what happens? The airflow hitting here will push the tail to move to the left. When the tails move to the left, the nose will move to the right. So if he hits the rudder pedal, right pedal, aircraft will move to the right because the rudder will move to the right. Then if he press the left pedal, the rudder will move to the left. Then aircraft will move to the left, right? The nose, I'm talking about nose. Nose will yaw to the left. So this is the function of rudders. Now let us talk about ailerons. Ailerons are fitted onto the trailing edge of the wings, right? So at the trailing edge, there will be two types of, in the light aircraft, there is one called outboard aileron, another one is inboard aileron. There is same thing on right and left. Then this aileron will go, when the one goes up, other one will come down. Same happens, same issue, same principle. When that goes up, when the aileron goes up, the airflow hits here, then here high pressure and low pressure, the wings will go down like this, right? So it opposite direction. That means when one aileron goes up, other side the aileron will go down, right? So easy to remember. When the pilot turns the control column right like this, when he turns, When it turns, the right aileron will go up. Then the right wing will go down, then the left wing will go up. In the turn other way, the left wing will go down, the right wing will go up. So this basically what he does is he don't just do only the ailerons, he does with the ailerons and the rudder, so that you'll get a beautiful bank, like aircraft will turn beautifully like that, right? So these are the three primary flight controls. In light aircraft, all of them are connected with mechanical linkages. That means cables, pulleys, and connecting rods. All these push-pull rods, all will be there, but all these are connected by cable. It's a mechanical linkage. In the larger commercial aircraft, all these primary flight controls and secondary, all the flight controls are moved by actuators, right? And all not connected by cables. It is connected by electronically, by wiring, not electronic signals. Then this one we call fly-by-wire. We'll talk about that in another video. So the pilot can't feel but in the light aircraft, he can feel the pressure. So he actually is flying, he can feel the flying. But in the large aircraft, he can't feel. For that, we have what we call artificial feel. That also I'll put another video. In another video, I'll talk to you about secondary flight controls as well. So now, just to remember, there are three flight controls, that is rudder, elevator, and ailerons, right? So these three will control the aircraft on these three axes. Just to remind you, if you want to go up, elevator should go up, right? If you want to turn right, what do you call your rudder? If you want to turn Joe to the right, the rudder should turn to the right, right? The same way ailerons. If you want to bank to the